spending a ridiculous amount of time at the airport yesterday. We finally arrived to the hotel last night, or this morning, around 3 a.m., 2 a.m. I don't know, it was something like that. And it was ridiculous because the car rental company left us stranded. They closed after they promised us they would wait for us. Our plane was late, but they had the flight numbers. They had the details so they could wait for us, and they didn't. So now we are packing the car, and we're gonna go see what else we can get into after this, because our day is pretty much going to be about rest today. Tomorrow is the shoot. Okay, I came to Michael's to see what they had in the way of flowers. They have so many beautiful flowers. Okay, so we went to Starbucks this morning, had our coffee, and then came here to Michael's to buy flowers for the photo shoot. I have gone through what I could here, and I've selected some flowers for the session, 3 different tones, and I cannot wait to show you what I got. All right, we're gonna set this up. Okay, we are going to make this area our studio. We're done cleaning it out, and now we're gonna set up the backdrop. But first, Starbucks. We have our Starbucks waters right here. And we've got flowers right there and outfits. And we are ready. We just need to set it all up. You can make plans for everything. And when it comes down to it, little tiny things can derail your entire plan. I brought this attachment to put on my light, put my light on. I brought this attachment. This comes with my Godox light. And when I opened my bag, I realized the screw that holds it to my light stand is actually missing. It could be in the back of my car back home. It could be in my trunk somewhere, in another camera bag somewhere. I don't know. But the fact is, without that screw, I can't use this. So I'm gonna Google a camera store nearby and we'll see what we do. Stop, she's doing great. Okay, big smile, Bree. 1, 2, 3. That's so good, Bree. You did perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Oh my God, you guys. She's doing well. No teeth. Just big smile, but no teeth. Yes, right there. That's good. That's good. Big smile with the baby. Okay. Aren't they? Okay, we're gonna do it again. Right here. Big cheese, cheese, cheese. Oh, I love that. Right there, don't move. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Smile, gentle. So close your eyes.
Let me get
Those
my
were beautiful. Go get that fan from my bathroom and fan yourself.
No, I'm gonna just
Like go outside or something.
I'll open the freezer for a second.
This is probably like, honestly, just.
No, I noticed this last 6 months I've been getting extremely hot.
It's because menopause, man. This side. Oh, that's so pretty. It matches your ring. Did you do that on purpose? It looks so pretty. It's a little bit right there, right there. Now, big smile. Big smile. Yes. Smile. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Look at Mama. Smile at Mama. That's beautiful. Right there, that's it. Yes, yes, smile at me, yes. Smile at me, smile at me, smile at me. Smile. Gosh, stop it. Pinterest is jealous. Look, y'all.
She's falling asleep whenever you want her.
Babies are not the easiest clients, as you're seeing now. I'm gonna be photographing, what's your name, honey? Briella today. Briella, tell me how old you are.
5.
5. When are you gonna be 6?
April 7th.
Oh, that's right around the corner. So, Briella, tell me what your favorite color is.
Pink.
Haha, me too. I love pink. All right, and what's your best friend's name?
Nora.
Nora. Okay, well, Nora wishes she could be right here because you are a princess today. Yeah, are you happy to get your picture made with mommy and baby? Yes. All right. We're going to be back and talk with Mommy in a little bit. This is hot work. Woo, it's 77 degrees in here and I'm ready to melt. But we're over there waiting on baby that is eating. She's done now. There she is. Look, she fell asleep. Oh, such a cutie. All right. Ready? Soft smile, soft smile. No teeth, just soft smile.
I know, me too. I need to hang some pictures.
Okay, this photo is a recreation of a photo that I did in purple for Mom and Briello when Briello was a baby. And now we're doing Olivia and Mommy in mint. So I bought these flowers today at Michael's and we're going to clip them or take some out. Probably they'll just come right out. Yep, they will. So we're just gonna take them out and pop them here. Put some white ones.
I actually like that.
Yep, it's so pretty.
I like the green flowers
Mm-hmm.
and the green rug.
So pretty.
Girl, she's looking at you now.
So good.
Oh, she's looking. Oh, she smiled. I'm so happy. She just did a big smile.
We'll copy the baby because the baby's gonna rise open.
Oh, she's smiling.
Yep, that's the one.
Oh,
See,
you got
take a
so
minute.
many
This-
cute ones.
That's it. That's
It
the
was
one.
so cute.
Now we're gonna show this.
He's like, oh.
Here.